Hello, I'm Brian with Trinity Commercial Cleaning, and we just wanted to take a few minutes to talk to one of our clients who's just awesome to work with, and maybe we can bring some value to you all, and definitely you all can talk about, or you rather, can
Certainly.
talk about your experience with us. So I just want to introduce someone who's very near and dear to my heart, Miss Jean Benfield over
Thank
at
you.
Gaylor Electric in Mooresville. So I also want to say if you all have any electrical needs, definitely
Absolutely.
come talk to Gaylor Electric.
Absolutely.
Miss Jean, first off, thank you so much. And second off, do you mind taking a few minutes and just kind of talk about what your experience was with cleaning companies prior to Trinity Commercial
Certainly.
Cleaning?
Certainly. We sort of a long road, which you and I have talked about in the past, finding someone that we could depend on, um, that we could really tell you'd been here and cleaned up. You come in over the weekends for us and
Sure.
make it very convenient for us. You do a great job. You're dependable. It's just been a big headache removed from my weekly duties since you folks have started working with us, and we do appreciate you and recommend you to anyone that is looking for someone to do a great job for them.
Wonderful. One of the things I'm learning is that in the cleaning industry, anybody can show up with a vacuum and a mop bucket and say they're a cleaning company, but that's not really what you all were after. Yeah, anybody can show up to clean, but you were more after professionalism, consistency, people that you could trust,
Depend on,
and
yes.
depend on. Yes, and so we've definitely tried to provide that for you all.
And you made a huge difference for us. Thank you.
Wonderful. So I think we've been cleaning for you all for, man, it might be going on 2 years, year and a half. I don't know.
At
It's been
least,
a while.
yes. Hmm.
And do you feel like it's been that same consistent result all the way
Yeah, I
through?
do. I do. It's been consistent, and that's a real pleasure because I'm always conscious of, I come in Mondays and I look around. I'm just in that habit, and I can certainly tell you've been here where in the past I could tell they had not.
Sure. So I want to ask real quick because this is something that's very near and dear to a lot of people's heart. Is like you just said, you come in on Monday morning and see if it was done or not done, and people know. Like you're in this office all the time. You know what it looks like when it's
Hmm.
been cleaned. It's like it's obvious. Um, but how did that make you feel when you would come in on Mondays and you paid for this
Hmm.
service to happen and
Hmm.
it wasn't done? Like what was that? What was that like? And
It was very frustrating. I would call the folks that were doing it then and let them know that were having needs that were not met. I could take back in our work area in the back, I could take a paper towel and run it along the surface there, and I would take a picture literally and send it to the cleaning folks and show them that it had not been cleaned. A picture of the microwave that on Monday morning was still dirty. So we were not getting the service that we needed.
you are so busy. I mean, you run almost everything around here, and so that had to have been really frustrating to take time out of your day of things like Monday. I think you in process employees, so you don't
Right,
have
do
time.
the orientation for all the new hires. The best
Sure,
day of the week for me because I'm always happy to bring new folks on board.
sure.
But I didn't want my coworkers, my friends, to go back to heat something up in that microwave, um, and it be dirty from the week before. And that was a waste of Gaylor's money as well.
Sure, sure. So, Miss Jean, is there anything else you would like to add about Trinity and how we can continue to help you, or anything that we also may need to improve on as well? Because one of our core values is be honest, and so we want people to know what they're getting. So, if there's something that you might want to speak about that we could improve on, then please don't
Uh,
hesitate to let us
well,
know.
I'll just say that I'm very
Sure.
happy with all that you've done. I feel confident in knowing that you'll keep everything safe and up to date and um, do everything that we've talked about.
Great.
And I know if anything comes up, I can call you and you'll do whatever you need. We recently added the upstairs, the
Hmm.
training part up in our building here, and you were so accommodating to add that to our needs to get that done. So we appreciate that too.
Wonderful.
And such a big difference up there.
Sure, great. Well, we absolutely enjoy serving your needs, and we love having clients that we can really come in and say hello and interact with,
Yes.
versus
Yes.
just being a company that works at night and never see us or anything. We want to truly change the industry. So thank you for allowing us to
You
work
certainly
with you.
certainly have for us, for Gaylor Electric. Thank you.
Great, thank you.